Hey y'all, just a quick video from the river on installing Tigo products, particularly if you are new. So I would highly recommend, I'm gonna make this real short. I highly recommend that if you've never installed Tigo, or if you've done it, you need a refresher training, man, just take our training. Just do it. It's not a big ask. Yeah? Like it's an hour if you just want to learn about the TS4F and the rapid shutdown products. It's a couple hours if you want to learn about the monitored products. Dude, just do it. Like we get so many calls from people that are having trouble, and I mean, a third of them could be handled if y'all just read the freaking instructions, RTFM, right? Like I'm being serious here. A lot of it would just be solved if you had the documentation that we send you instead of just throwing it in the corner with everything else. So it would be to your benefit if you take our training. And it doesn't matter if you want to round everybody up and you want to put them in one room and go through the course on a big screen, then do that if you don't have time for everybody to do it. But do something, right? And a pushback is, oh, well, Greg, it takes an hour or two, and I don't have time to do that. I got to get guys out on the roof. Dude, I freaking get it, man. Like it's that time of year, you're making more money when somebody's on a roof instead of in a classroom. I get it. But it's like, oh, we don't have time. You don't have time? You don't have time to go through a 1 or 2 hour class, but you can always find time to have to go out to a site 3 or 4 times to fix something that would have never been an issue had you just gone through our training. I don't think it's a big ask. Just do it. I'll put all the information down in the video description. And one more thing, if you're out there, there's this really cool thing. It's called Google. And if you have your smartphone and you go to google.com, and then in that little white bar that comes up, if you just type in, hey, how do I do this? You'll get to the Tigo Help Center article that will help you figure it out if you don't want to do all the other training. But man, do something, please. See ya.